feel good about myself. Look, I just sat up straight. I'm trying not to sit like this. That's how I tend to sit.
I get chairs that do this. It's not even me. In the event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh, did you?
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my
life. You look pregnant.
Yeah, hey, I have fans too, you know.
No, you have different offices. You have an actual fan.
Yeah, I got fans. You know, the only one that got fans, bro. I got fans.
Here I go.
No one cuts my hairs anymore.
Have you had a meal today, Brad? You seem a little low on the blood sugar.
And I like to just get lost in them.
You can't have a beer at the prom, and you can't.
You ready?
In your exact words, as you kind of edged your way, and you went, "Now this picture's really going to be worth some money."
And you know what? Oh yeah, man. Yeah, you do kung fu, don't you? That's how long you been catering card. Remember to
Yeah. Well, you got.
Have you ever?
Extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging.
It's my show.
Killing it for you, boy.